In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to get Heel John Cena with entrance in WWE 2K25. So before we get him, we need to firstly download some stuff from community creations and then we can make his entrance. So to do that, we need to go to the online tab, under it go to community creations and then downloads. So first of all, we'll download the John Cena text which will be in the white color and it will be present on the screen of your entrance. And now to download that, we need to go to sign and image. And under it we need to wait for a bit until they load all of the creations here. So we want to download this image, but in case you don't see it here, then we need to search for it in this community creations. And to do that, press triangle key on your PlayStation or Y key on your Xbox and then it will open this here. And now we need to make sure that we have selected sign and image and deselect the superstars option, then go to the bottom and add an hashtag here which will be custom, and we need to add a hashtag called John Cena, then go to the bottom and hit search. Then it will show you all the John Cena images and we need to download this text image. If you want to download this one, then you can do that too, but I prefer this one, but I have already downloaded it. If you want to download it, then select the image and then go to download and download it in your game. Now we need to go back from here and now it's time for downloading John Cena attire, and to do that we need to again go to community creations, then go to superstar this time, and once it loads all the superstars we need to download John Cena. So for that, again click on Y key on your Xbox controller or triangle key on your PlayStation to search for a superstar. So we want a superstar, that's why we need to select superstar option from here, deselect the sign and image option, and now we need to add a hashtag which will be John Cena and then hit search on your game. Then we can see all the John Cena creations here. If you want to see any of them, then just select that creation from here. If you like the attire, then click on download and the attire will be downloaded in your game. But I want to have a red shirt John Cena, so for that I need to explore here. So this one is perfect, I want to download it. For that, go to download and hit on it, then the creation will be downloaded in your game. Now we have downloaded John Cena attire and the image as well. Now it's time for setting up the entrance. For that we need to go back from here and we need to go to the creations tab. Under it we need to go to video and here click on new. So first of all we need to create the banner which image we have downloaded. For that we need to go to image animation and under it we downloaded a custom image which will be in the custom image section, and here we need to go to the bottom and now we need to find the image which we downloaded. So the image was John Cena, we need to go through here and we need to look for that image. So here it is, I need to select it and then click on apply, and from here we need to choose the animation for our image. So the John Cena text is stable on the screen. So for that we need to go to the 5th row here. So second row is this, 3rd, 4th and 5th. So we need to select this 4th image on the 5th row and you can see the image has been placed here. Now to adjust its size, we need to use the D-pad keys on our controller, and to move the position we need to use the left stick on our controller, and now I want to place it here. And to save these changes we need to press accept key on our controller and you can see the clip has been inserted on saved clips here. And to drag this clip onto our timeline, we need to press A key on our Xbox controller or cross key on our PlayStation and then the clip will be inserted here. Then again press that same key and you will see the clip here. And now to save this animation we need to press the middle button again and then we need to name our clip. So I want to name it John Cena Heel and then the video will be saved here. Now it's time for customizing John Cena entrance. For that, go to the creations tab again and now go to entrance. Here we need to select superstar and select the John Cena superstar you want to set the entrance for. So I want to set John Cena entrance for the downloaded superstar and I can find him in the J section. So I need to go up here and you can see this is the John Cena I want to set an entrance for. So I need to select him, then go to custom entrance. I have disabled the entrance music due to copyright issues, and from this editor we can customize all things related to entrance. So first of all we need to change the motion. For that, select motion from here and under it we need to filter it by P because this superstar entrance suits the John Cena heel version. So for that we need to choose painful literature motion and here click on yes and then the motion will be changed. Now it's time for changing the title motion. For that, go to title motion here and under it ensure that you have selected motion option here. For that, press RB key on your Xbox controller or R1 key on your PlayStation controller and then you will be switched to the motion section. And under it again we need to select that painful literature theme which will be in the P and we need to select it from here. And now we need to wait for the moment until John Cena arrives in our screen. But you can see the lighting and the background is not according to John Cena heel entrance. So to do that we need to go to the bottom first and go to movie display, and under it only enable Titantron option, which will be first, and disable all of these options because we don't want to have any screen on other stuff, and then click on accept to accept these changes. Now we need to go to the Titantron movie and set the John Cena video which we just created. For that, go to the custom video section, press RB key on your Xbox controller or press R1 key on your PlayStation, and then we'll go to custom video and select the video which we just exported. For that, I need to select this John Cena heel video, and there you go, we can see the John Cena video which we just created on the banner screen, and then John Cena can appear on our entrance. And now to save this entrance, we need to go back from here and press the menu button on your Xbox controller or PlayStation controller, and then our entrance will be saved. And now if I start a normal match here, so let's go with normal one-on-one match. And now we need to select the John Cena. So here it is, I need to select it and make sure that entrance is on, and let's go with CM Punk here. And then we can just wait for the moment until John Cena arrives in our screen. The text is here, the John Cena motion is perfect according to the heel John Cena. If you want to use different attires, then you can download them from community creations and use those attires on this particular John Cena. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.